Let's learn the names of kitchen vocabulary.
Apron. Apron. Gas stove. Gas stove. Kitchen paper. Kitchen paper. Kitchen towel. Kitchen towel. Matchbox. Matchbox. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Colander. Colander. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. Bowl. Bowl. Plate. Plate. Glass. Glass. Mug. Mug. Cup. Cup. Bowl. Bowl. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Butter knife. Butter knife. Cutlery. Cutlery. Peeler. Peeler. Cutting board. Cutting board. Funnel. Funnel. Dish rack. Dish rack. Egg slicer. Egg slicer. Deep fryer. Deep fryer. Garlic press. Garlic press. Grater. Grater. Jar. Jar. Fork. Fork. Cleaver. Cleaver. Kitchen scissors. Kitchen scissors. Knife set. Knife set. Knife. Knife. Jug. Jug. Bottle. Bottle. Kettle. Kettle. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Whisk. Whisk. Ladle. Ladle. Perforated spoon. Perforated spoon. Spatula. Spatula. Toaster. Toaster.